Tesla is a company that is known for manufacturing electric vehicles. Tesla boasts quite a lineup of models with some awesome, amazing, and funky looking cars. When you put together words like funky looking and Tesla, you instantly know which Tesla is being mentioned here. The Cybertruck. Cybertruck is one of the most hotly anticipated electric pickups coming to market, and although deliveries have been delayed until 2022, there is still not much competition available for Tesla's uniquely designed vehicle. But even though the year 2022 is just some days away from us, we still don't know much about it. People are eagerly awaiting more news about the Tesla Cybertruck. And finally, there is some big news about the Cybertruck. What's that? Well, let's find out about that today. Tesla's fully electric pickup truck Cybertruck, first announced in 2019, is made of stainless steel used in rockets. Production is expected to begin next year and reach volume production in 2023. And it seems that the Tesla Cybertruck's production plans are changing once again. Since Tesla dissolved its PR department last year, the company's CEO Elon Musk is the one responsible for answering the queries, and he does it effectively via his Twitter feed most of the time. He has revealed some new information about the Cybertruck production and upcoming variants in one of his tweet storms recently. So if you believe Elon Musk, then CEO Elon Musk tweeted that the eagerly anticipated Tesla Cybertruck will initially come with 4 motors and a number of new features. Cybertruck is getting a significant platform upgrade, with Elon Musk confirming that the specifications for the controversial electric pickup will be updated before it has even gone on sale. Unveiled in late 2019, the Cybertruck proved divisive with its stealth bomber-inspired aesthetic, but its speed promises also set it apart from the truck's status quo. All of the things started with one change made by Tesla with the order of Cybertrucks in 2021. Back in mid-October, Tesla updated its Cybertruck webpage to remove Cybertruck specs and prices for each configuration of the electric pickup truck. Simply, Tesla removed the ability for Cybertruck reservation holders to choose the variant they want to buy. When unveiling the Cybertruck back in 2019, Tesla announced that the electric pickup truck would be offered in 3 different configurations. Single motor, rear-wheel drive with 250 plus miles of range, dual motor all-wheel drive with 300 plus miles of range, and tri-motor all-wheel drive with 500 plus miles of range. These configurations, specs, and pricing stayed on Tesla's website and pre-order page for the Cybertruck since the launch 2 years ago, but suddenly, Tesla changed their website and removed any mention of those configurations. Now, when placing a pre-order for the Cybertruck, the configuration page says you will be able to complete your configuration as production nears in 2022. It also says some of the top specs, like a towing capability of over 14,000 pounds and 0 to 60 mph in as little as 2.9 seconds, which were previously specs associated with the top-of-the-line tri-motor Cybertruck. Tesla also mentions a range of up to 500 miles, when it previously mentioned a range of 500 plus miles. This change in the Cybertruck online configurator created rumours that Tesla is perhaps getting rid of the single-motor RWD variant, just like they did with the Model Y SUV. The individual who gave birth to the rumour on Twitter was Mars Blog. They tweeted, "Rumour has it that the Cybertruck is no longer configurable on the Tesla site because they're debating getting rid of the single-motor version and having only 2, 3, and 4-motor variants." Addressing the tweet, Elon Musk stated that Tesla will start production with the quad-motor Cybertruck, 4 motors, 1 on each wheel. Initial production will be 4-motor variants with independent, ultra-fast response torque control of each wheel, he confirmed. This is in line with Tesla's production start tradition. The highest variant goes into production first. The Cybertruck production start was originally scheduled towards the end of 2021, but Tesla gave preference to Model Y production at Gigafactory Austin, and put the Cybertruck on the back burner for a while. Now, the production of the Cybertruck has been pushed into 2022, still not with a definitive date or month, but mid-2022 would be a good guess. Since the launch of Tesla Cybertruck, we've seen other electric trucks join the party. Rivian's R1T is already being delivered to pre-order customers, complete with 4 electric motors. GMC's Hummer EV is set for release soon, similarly boasting a motor for each wheel. That's exactly the reason for this change of plans. Now, Musk has confirmed that Cybertruck is raising its game to better compete. The need for a 4-motor Cybertruck emerged when Rivian showed how its quad-motor R1T can perform a tank turn, and GM's Hummer EV demonstrated crab mode. Tesla cannot be left behind in innovation, so the automaker started working on 4-wheel steerability for the Cybertruck earlier this year. Back in July, Tesla CEO Elon Musk revealed some tiny pieces of new information about the Cybertruck, while answering a tweet asking about its production and deliveries timeline. Elon being Elon, he did not give an exact timeline. Rather, he said, "We're adding rear-wheel steering so it can do tight turns and maneuver with high agility." If Musk and his team are able to demonstrate the Cybertruck 4-wheel steering function before the Hummer EV, Tesla will steal the show once again. Calling the electric pickup truck insane technology bandwagon, Musk said that the Cybertruck would have both front and rear wheel steer that would not just turn like a tank, it can drive diagonally like a crab. We'd love to receive clarification on the truck's specs and production plans, but Tesla does not operate a public relations department to field requests for comment. It could be that the tri-motor variant is dead in favour of this new 4-motor truck. And there's no word on what becomes of the dual and single-motor electric pickups. Musk did say on Twitter that those with reservations for a truck that's not this 4-motor variant will be able to upgrade to it. He did not provide any other specs on the battery, power, or motors. Elon Musk has recently said that the Cybertruck will feature Tesla's flagship tech for the future, meaning it will be a technology powerhouse. He wrote on Twitter, "Cybertruck will reach far into a post-apocalyptic future and bring that technology to now." Tesla is likely to implement the steer-by-wire system on the Cybertruck that is currently being developed. The Cybertruck may come with a yoke steering system, often seen used in racing cars. In the meantime, an interesting development is taking place. The Cybertruck reservations are growing each day. A public reservation tracker shows that the total Cybertruck pre-orders have crossed the 1.2 million mark. These 1.2 million orders roughly translate to more than $81 billion in potential revenue for Tesla. This publicly gathered data by the reservation holders shows some interesting facts. The share of the single-motor RWD variant is just 7.2% of the total orders. A whopping 70.4% of the reservation holders also bought the $10,000 full self-driving FSD package as well. However, Elon Musk did not answer anything about the single-motor RWD variant in this tweet storm. So it isn't clear whether all these variants will still be available once Cybertruck production begins, however. After all, Tesla famously cancelled all orders for the Plaid Plus model not long after Plaid production had started, with Elon Musk saying, "Plaid Plus is cancelled. No need, as Plaid is just so good." Cybertruck reservation holders and fans keep asking for the Cybertruck timeline because the enthusiasm and excitement around this polarizing and disruptive pickup truck are unrivaled by any other vehicle in recent history. Musk confirmed that would be possible when asked about the potential for changes there specifically, adding that Tesla would release more details soon. Product roadmap update on next earnings call, he confirmed, which means we'll likely have to wait until the end of January 2022. The company has so far avoided a major crisis from supply chain woes and the global semiconductor shortage, issues that have hurt legacy automakers. As for when the Cybertruck will go into production, well, as of Tesla's last update, that is still fairly nebulous. The automaker plans to build the electric pickup at its new Austin factory after Model Y production has started there. So that's all folks, be sure to like and subscribe for more, and we'll see you in another video. Ta-ra!